Yeah, YouTube has really changed my life, and I think it's important to let you know about this. It has really impacted positively in me, okay? So let me tell you how it started. In September 1, 2022, I resigned from my 9 to 4 p.m. job here in Nigeria just to focus on my writing career, okay? So I'm a writer, independent author, so I'm a published author. So I then started writing and I kept on digging deep. So one day, that was December, I thought about YouTube and I'm like, I think I still need to give this side hustle a try. Because what made me pick interest is this. My books are all about tech books, how to use software. We talk about Microsoft 365, we talk about Google Workspace, we talk about anything software in the field of tech. So that's where I major and that's where I make my money as a writer. So that's what gave me the confidence to resign from my place of work. So and then most times when I search for, make my research on some applications, there's this guy that used to show up. His name is Kevin Stratvat, yeah. So he's a US. So he then at the initial stage when I started, getting acquainted with some of his content, he used to say that he works with Microsoft. Okay as a project manager. So after a few years, Kevin said that he resigned from Microsoft to focus fully on YouTube content creation. So from there, he has some cookie companies, and the rest. That was what gave me the idea. We're like, I think they're spinning this. I think I need to give it a try. So I started my own journey. At the beginning, it wasn't easy, but with time, I learned a lot. And that is what I want to share with you, and is benefiting and adding value to my life. First is that being a content creator on YouTube has helped me build confidence. Before now, I found it discomforting to face the camera, but here am I today speaking to the camera comfortably without any fear. Okay, so it has made me to build confidence in myself that when I face the lens, I can talk to the lens, I can talk to the people just like I'm talking to you without any form of fear. Okay, another impact YouTube had in me is that it made me to learn some skills. Before now, I don't know anything about video editing. Okay. But one, it has helped me to learn about video editing. I can edit videos, maybe videos that run into hours, confidently. I'll just take my time gradually and I then edit the video from beginning to end. As some, features I want to add inside the video, some effects to bring out the meaning to the people that are watching it. So it's one important skill that I never had before. But YouTube made me to have the editing skill, and today I can edit videos. Okay, so even if you give me the project or the job to do for you, I can do it massively. So very easy. So another impact or how YouTube changed my life is in photo editing. Yes, graphics design. Before now, I never knew anything about graphics design before I started my YouTube channel. But because I know that people demand for how to design some graphics, you talk about designing of logos, talk about designing of flyers, talk about designing of book cover. As a writer, I used to have this young man that designs my book covers. But because I know people search about this, I have to make my extra research and learn how to design, create some designs, including the book cover, flyers, posters. Talk about Christmas cards. Talk about anything design today. So I learned this skill and I added to it. So now I'm not just a content creator. I'm a video editor and I'm a graphics designer at the same time. Another one is the use of Microsoft 365 applications. Today, if you talk about any app content in Microsoft 365 suite, almost all, I can interact with all because this have made me to learn more about them. And then after learning about them, I come to this community and teach people about it. Do you talk about Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive. So all these things I learned it because I want to teach the people. Another impact is that I have learned the skill on how to use Google Workspace applications very effectively. So Workspace is a suite just like Microsoft 365 owned and developed by Google. So now today, I can use Google Slides, I can use Google Sheets, I can use anything that is contained in that application, calendar and the rest. So you see the impact it's making now. I'm learning many skills. So I have diverse skills because of YouTube content creation. Setting up studio equipment is one of the things people pay money to learn. But because I'm a YouTuber, I didn't pay anybody. So I learned all those things on my own, both how to set the ring light. I used to see a ring light on television, but I didn't know how it's being programmed or staged to make videos, so to film. So, but because I'm into this field of content creation, I had to learn how to use the ring lights, how to set it up, how to do the lightning, how to have good background in your video, how to even check video background. So it helped me to learn some things about studio, setting up some things, how to use the microphone. So it's a bonus, it's a plus to me. So it's impacting on my life. Okay. As an independent author and publisher, YouTube has made me discover more about publishing. Yes. Before I started YouTube channel, I was just focusing on Amazon KDP. That's the platform I was using to publish my books. But in course of that, I was like, I think I need to make more research so that I'll teach people more about self-publishing. So I discovered some other platforms. One of them is Apple Books. I never knew about Apple Books before now. So, but because of YouTube and because of the research, I have to know about Google Books. And today I have my books on Google Books, and I've taught people, even people from Nigeria, people from India, and some other parts of the world. Here, my greatest fans are people from India, followed by US, followed by UK, followed by Nigeria. So now, when I created some videos on Apple Books. Many people picked interest and like, so I can be in Nigeria, still publish on Apple. I'm not only on Amazon. And with that, I make more money for my books. And my fans also make more money on their own because I have taught them how to do that. So you see, YouTube has now added money and it's still adding money to my pocket because there's no month my books on Apple don't sell. They sell every month, so many copies. Sometimes it runs to 15 copies, sometimes 20 copies. Okay. So it's a bonus, it's a plus to me because of the impact of YouTube to my life. Wow, patience is a virtue, and YouTube has taught me how to be patient. Yes. Currently, I have about 900 subscribers here, and I've been on this platform for a year and about a year and 3 months here. You know, I've been on this platform and I kept on putting the work and I kept on waiting for the time for YouTube partner program. So it have taught me how to make investment and be patient for it to mature. It gives me this sense of importance in the sense that even with less than 800 subscribers, I got some brand deals request here. I got one from a tech company in United States, and I got one from another tech company in Japan. You see, so it makes me know. I feel like so people know that I'm existing. Yeah, for them to contact me. So that sense of importance is a plus, and it motivates me to create more. Okay, or motivates me to do more in this field of content creation. Yes, another one is rejection. Yeah, sometimes you see some subscribers come in, and at the point you see one or two leave, and we're like, why this guy's leaving? So over the years, so after some time, I was like, okay, this is normal. Even if people decided to leave, some people are still coming in. So it has now giving me that power, or will I say the attitude to manage few rejections. Yeah, it has improved my creativity skills, so it makes me more creative in life as I learn a lot and I'm becoming creative on them. So these are the few ways or some ways YouTube has impacted in my life with less than 800 subscribers. If you out there, you are thinking of how to start a YouTube channel, you're like, how do I start this? Please start up. Because even when I started, I even started with my bad Android phone, but because I'm passionate, I kept on dishing content until I got another PC, the second of PC of mine. After I got that second PC, at the point it started, it's not saving, it wasn't serving me well, so I have to buy another PC. Currently, the PC I'm using, a computer, a laptop I'm using to film this cost me about 695,000 naira. Okay, that I don't know. I can't convert it currently to dollar, but it's a lot. And it's serving me well. So no matter where you are, maybe you are still thinking of starting this, start up. With time you improve. My Android phone I started with has bad speaker. It had bad speaker. So, but even upon that, I kept on dishing content until I bought some good materials, some good tools that improved me the more. So start with time. You will know that it's benefiting. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, leave a like to this video, and you can also watch this to know more about technology. See you next time. Peace.